Hello students, now we are going to solve one problem which is based on potentiometer. The problem is written on the board. This is also problem of Kumar Mittal. This is problem number 33. In this question, there is a cell having EF 3 volt and with negligible internal resistance connected with the resistance wire. But the resistance of this wire AB is not given. This is the resistance wire of potentiometer. These are the connecting wires. This one is the connecting wire, this one is also connecting wire. These wires are also connecting wire, this one is voltmeter. This AB is resistance wire, but its resistance is not given in the question. And this cell have also zero internal resistance, and the EMF of the cell is given 4 volt. The length of this resistance wire is given 100 centimeter. We have to find the reading of this voltmeter. So what is the potential difference across this length BC? That should be calculated. So we have to find potential difference between point B and C. This is the question of this problem. Potential difference between B and C has been asked. See how to do these type of problems. First we will find current in this circuit. Let resistance of this resistance wire is capital R. So current in this resistance AB, this is resistance wire, will be calculated by formula I equal to E by R plus R. EMF is 3 volt, capital R is not given, and internal resistance is 0. So current will be 3 by capital R ampere. Let this is equation number 1. Now we will find potential difference across the whole wire AB. So potential difference across the whole wire AB will equal to I into R. The value of I is 3 by R into capital R to R cancel 3 volt. Student, why I am using this formula? Sometime internal resistance is given. तो बेटा हमेशा ये जरूरी नहीं कि यहाँ 3 वोल्ट है तो यहाँ भी 3 वोल्ट आ जाए. अगर इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस होगा तो हमें इसी फॉर्मूले से कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा. तो बीइंग अ टीचर हमें वो सारे स्टेप्स फॉलो करने हैं जिससे सारे तरह के प्रॉब्लम लग जाए. यहाँ इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस नहीं है तो यहाँ 3 वोल्ट है तो यहाँ भी 3 वोल्ट हम कह सकते हैं. AB के क्रॉस 3 वोल्ट डायरेक्टली लिख सकते हैं बिना कैलकुलेशन के भी. लेकिन अगर इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस है तो इस फॉर्मूले के यूज करो तो निकल के जो आएगा उससे सॉल्व होगा वो वैल्यू आएगी. अभी तो वही आया. क्यों? क्योंकि इस सेल के अंदर कोई इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस नहीं है. So potential difference across this wire AB is what? 3 volt. Now we will find potential gradient. Potential gradient K equal to V by L. Voltage is 3 and length is 100. So unit will be volt per centimeter. 100 is given in centimeter. Now potential gradient is calculated 3 by 100. Then what will be potential difference across this 70 centimeter length? K is what? K is the voltage drop across point length. So what will the potential difference across 70 centimeter length? Very simple. We will apply this formula V equal to KL. The value of K is 3 by 100 and length L is 70 centimeter. 0 to 0 cancel. So potential difference will be equal to 21 by 10 equal to 2.1 volt. 2.1 volt. स्टूडेंट इस प्रॉब्लम को शॉर्टकट तरीके से भी किया जा सकता है. वो शॉर्टकट क्या है कि 100 सेंटीमीटर के क्रॉस पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस है 3 वोल्ट. तो फिर 70 सेंटीमीटर के क्रॉस क्या हो जाएगा बच्चों? 3 by 100 into 70 equal to 2.1 वोल्ट. ये शॉर्टकट है. बट बच्चों बोर्ड में आपको ऐसी प्रोसीडिंग फॉलो करनी पड़ेगी तब मार्क्स मिलेंगे. कंपटीशन में करना है तो इस तरह से आप टाइम निकाल बचा सकते हैं. बट अगर बच्चों इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस दिया हुआ है, इफ इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस इज गिवन देन यू हैव टू फॉलो ऑल द स्टेप्स. थैंक यू. राइट इट.